Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to cook nettle. Yeah, that really healthy plant which you can find everywhere pretty much. So simple kitchen, simple stuff, no fancy equipment, no fancy blogger, no fancy kitchen. So just everything simple and yummy. Okay, let's go. So at first we'll take nettle, yeah, which I collected yesterday and I keep it in the fridge. Yum yum, yum yum yum. Okay, usually I take this stuff because it still stinks and wash it. That is my way, and there are many ways to cook nettle. So I'll show you one of them. Yeah, one of the way today to rinse it a little bit. Yeah, yum yum, yum yum. And also I will boil it about 30 seconds. I'm here again. So little pot. Just little bit of water, little bit. Ta-dam. Eggs. I kind of... This Sunday is gonna be Orthodox Easter, so I painted eggs for the Easter. It's pretty simple, very healthy. So I'll tell you about this next time. Anyway, so let's wait until the water will boil. So the water is boiling and ta-dam, chuvak. Simple, as I said, simple, no fancy kitchen, no fancy pots, no fancy this thing. Everything is for regular people like you and me. Yeah, everyday regular people. So little bit boiling. That is to reduce the stings. After you boil it a little bit, you reduce. It doesn't sting anymore, and that's enough. And don't boil it a lot, because in that case you'll destroy all vitamins and minerals. After boiling it, you're just destroying all nutrients. So it's still yummy, but not healthy, not so healthy anymore. In this case, this still has all nutrients: vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, iron, everything you need. So really healthy, free, for example, natural, organic. Okay, boil it a little bit, and after, yes, and after I keep the water. I don't. I keep the water. So where is it? And it is like a tea. So now I have a nettle tea and a nettle. Yum yum. Yes. Okay. And new recipe. I'm trying this for the first time. So actually I told you at the beginning that's my way, but this is... I'm trying it the first time. One person told me about this, so I want to try it. Hi. Hi, hi. Saying hi to you. Yeah. Thank you for the advice. And okay, let's go. So me again. So the new recipe: nettle plus orange. So since I'm trying for the first time, I'll put two oranges, two middle oranges, medium. Tadam, tadam. Okay, 1.5 orange. And nettle. Tadam. Pam, 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 and pam. Tadam. Plus to all of this, yum yum, maple syrup. Yeah, so really wondering what's gonna... how it's gonna taste. Okay. So simple 15 years old blender. Yes. Okay. Ну да. Actually, Yum yum. Yes, it is good. Cheers. Not much, because I'm doing it for the first time, so I just wanted to try it first, and after we'll see. So it is edible. It is good. Unusual. Yeah, it's really unusual. So yeah. Messages. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, cheers. Stay healthy, stay positive. Put like, share, leave some comments. And see you next time. Bye bye.